Risk of rain!
Risk the rain! No! I'm afraid my throw up.
Do it. Hoo.
Wait, one more time.
The fuck are we
How'd you
doing
get up
here?
there before me and I've been on the rope the whole time?
Because I'm a beast.
Whatever, I don't want to hear your face. You did
You
something.
just see all these pixelated muscles I got?
Explorerski! Takes it on chests and visions. I don't know.
I takes it on the text of business.
That's exactly what I said. Why are you making fun of it?
How did I see that one coming?
Waterfall. Which one? And you're still mad at me. Ooh, what's that in your pocket?
And my phone.
Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why
Get
can't
up
I
it.
get up? Wait.
Jesus.
Don't even listen to me.
I'm not trying to listen to you.
17.
Phone vibrating my penis.
Oh.
Or was that you?
That was me. I
What's over here? What's this? Oh, just the wall.
went.
Silly goose.
Silly wall. Just
Me,
for
me, me, me,
kids.
Who?
One more time. What does he do? Sneeze on you? Motherfucker.
You know what it is, girl. You know you can jump over that shit.
Don't you think I've been trying?
Oh. Didn't do that now. Jump down. Good job.
Oh, look at me going so fast.
Come on this ladder.
Must be nice to still be alive. Whatever, I don't want to hear your face.
Told you where to go. Didn't want to listen.
I was up at the second level, and you were still at the bottom. I don't want to hear your face. I was listening. But you're at 70!
Huh?
Just get away! Oh, you don't want to, you're too far down. No, you're too far down, don't even try, just keep trying to run. You're too far down, I said. Oh my god, what happened? What happened?
It is my fruit.
Yeah, you did good.
Get back, cheat code.
That's me too over there.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, you took so much. Nobody died.
I died.
You walked towards the light. Didn't you hear me when I said that?
Yeah, you ain't gotta yell.
You're on very hard.
Grouper.
Yeah, get him. Good boy. Okay.
Still haven't taken it. Thought that big fucker could jump, huh?
I thought so. The nasty poopy green
He obviously
one.
has elephantitis.
Obvi.
Don't ever say that shit ever again.
Obvi.
Yes, obvi.
Obvi.
As in, it's obvious you should never say that shit ever again.
Obvi. I'm gonna do what I want. Gasolina, talk about gasolina, right? Gasolina.
What? What is the word?
Gasolina.
Say it again. No, gasolina. So it's Batman before gasolina.
Yeah.
No, gasolina.
No.
I died.
How
I
do
tried trying to fuck around with you. Son of a bitch!
Okay,
Silly
money.
goose.
Yamula, baby. Dried lake. You know what that means.
Oh, we're at your mom's house.
Why would you say that? I can't,
Sorry.
I can't make that jump. Don't talk about my mom! Which one? It says that. This doesn't even look like crab. You know what it looks like? A groundhog, okay? I answered it for you. off the pole, you bitch! Ya hooker.
That would be a stripper that would be on the pole.
Yes. Oh. Get up the pole, you stripper.
I'll think about it, and then I'll get back to you with a response. After these messages.
Right?
Huh?
So we don't catch HIV. The HIV.
The hibbity hoppity to the hippity.
Jellyfish, jellyfish, wish you were a jellyfish. Jelly, jelly, wish you were on some peanut butter. But you're not! But you're on the peanut!
Actually, the level 4.
You're level 9! What are you talking about?
I'm talking about to the stage 4. Like, you know, the 4th place.
We aren't ever gonna make it.
Not with that attitude.
Not when I can't stay alive for more than 6 minutes. My feet hurt. I need to go get a massage.
A massage?
Cause you won't massage my feet for me, so I gotta go get one myself.
Of course I'm not gonna massage your feet.
So you don't care if I spend $60 somewhere else?
Oh yeah, I do. I'm saying you need to massage your own feet. Rumpelstiltskin.
No, it doesn't feel like. What are you talking about? This
Talking
turn
about your feet.
strong and gold. He doesn't massage anybody. So gross.
Sorry. Pour my drink in my mouth. Come on. Come on. I'm too busy concentrating. You trying to drown a motherfucker? Oh, you hit the power button on the TV screen. I can't see shit.
That's. Oh, gee, thank God you're only at 670.
One of these days. Ah! Video's over. We should take a shot. Shots?
Go on and you get it this time. My hands were freezing when I was getting it, and I had to get 2 of them. 4 times.
Maybe you shouldn't have another shot.
Go ahead. Just don't fill mine up the whole way. You see how it's double shots? Just give me 1.
You don't tell me what to do. If I want a shield on your chest, I'll do it. Okay?
Fine! 1!
Damn, you really gotta take those headphones off. You yell really loud. Hey guys, hello.
Oh my God, it's like a whole new world. A new fantastic place that I can hear more than what I thought I could. I really should not yell so much for the YouTubers. I couldn't breathe when I did that.
Alright, listen, you can't be a bitch. You shoot it in 2 seconds.
Do you need to drink it?
No.
Think about it. Think about it.
I'm gonna think about you taking a shot in less than 2 seconds.
I thought you were gonna be like, yo, mouth on my dick. I know this is your
What's your mouth like that?
This is your mouth on my dick. Or your mouth on my dick. Let me see.
Sir!
My eyes.
Put your dick away. Put your goddamn cock away. Did you get in your eye?
It's a black guy.
You said it was a black guy? Why'd you burp in my face? I don't think you need that
Because
shot.
it's like, I feel like it's coming up and I'm like, yeah.
Alright, you had to take it in less than 3 seconds from doing the clink. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
At least I can still taste it. That means I'm not that drunk.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked it, please consider subscribing. It helps out a whole lot. Peace.